Yamaha entered the motorcycle industry in 1955, debuting with the YA1, a 125 cubic centimeter two-stroke bike known as the Red Dragonfly. This model established Yamaha's reputation for precision engineering and competitive spirit, winning races like the Mount Fuji Ascent. The 1960s marked Yamaha's global expansion and dominance in motorsport, with models like the YDS series showcasing innovation and reliability. The RD56 brought Yamaha its first World Grand Prix victory, solidifying its presence in high-performance racing. In the 1970s, Yamaha catered to both enthusiasts and everyday riders with diverse offerings. The XS650, a four-stroke parallel twin, became a classic, while the RD350 redefined two-stroke performance. Yamaha's commitment to motocross also flourished with the launch of the iconic YZ series. The 1980s saw Yamaha pioneer advanced technologies, introducing the first 5-valve engine in the FZ750 and embracing innovation with the V-Max, a muscle bike legend. The RZV500R brought racing technology to the streets, thrilling sport bike fans worldwide. In the 1990s and 2000s, Yamaha revolutionized superbikes with the YZF-R1, a benchmark for power and agility. The Tenere series became synonymous with adventure riding, while the V-Star series catered to cruiser enthusiasts. Entering the 21st century, Yamaha embraced sustainability with hybrid concepts and electric innovations like the TYE Trials bike. By 2023, Yamaha continued blending tradition with modernity, offering cutting-edge motorcycles like the R7 and MT series. Yamaha's evolution reflects a legacy of performance, innovation, and adaptability, appealing to riders across generations and disciplines. The